Curious who Caprice chose during Kill, Kiss, and Marry. The tension, the reactions, the killing moments, you definitely don't want to miss this. Let's watch Caprice's answer and feel the Cap Heath killing. While the PBB girls were waiting for Kaya's Hadid, they stayed in their room and decided to play a fun and intriguing game Kill, Kiss, and Marry.
1, 2, 3, go! 1 marshmallow. Check it out. 2 marshmallow. 2 marshmallow. Check it out. 3 marshmallow.
When it was Caprice's turn, the room instantly filled with excitement. With a shy smile and a hint of killing, she answered she would kill Lee, kiss Miguel, and marry Heath.
Oh my God! Lee! Oh, ano to? Miguel! Miguel! And Heath! And Heath. Miguel na lang tas Heath na. James Reed! No-explanation! Wala explanation! Okay. James!
Bawat tawa, bawat kaba, parang pangako na di bibitaw. Di